What would you do if you were stuck in an endless Ikea and then there was Ikea staff with no faces that are running at you because you haven't left the store when it's closing time, but it's almost impossible to leave. So, what would you do? I mean, the first step is to build a base. So, okay. That should work, I don't know. At least for now. I can get out and then, but the only thing is they might get over the thing, the wall. Okay, so this is going to be my base for now, because it's risky going out when there's murderer employees running at you, trying to kill you. So, you want to stay hidden. But they're not too hard to kill, but I don't think you can kill them in this game. Yes! Oh my days, it's Thursday. Okay. Yeah, that's what they look like. But some look different. Okay, I'm gonna get these cabinets here to build walls. Oh, hello. Okay. Oh. Oh, he's helping me build. Okay, so we finished the base now. So, yes. Now we just have to wait until it's nighttime. Could probably do some decorating. Okay, never mind. Oh no. Oh no! They jumped over. Oh no, no, no. Oh. No, he died. Oh no. Oh. Help. No. Oh. Okay. Well, that base was a massive failure. That's gonna be it for today's video. if you want to play the game, I will leave the link in the description, and yes. The video is now over. Leave the